Whenever I'm in Mexico City, I come to Cartel Haircuts in Milton.
Hi, my name is Barber Memo, and I invite to visit the Cartel Cuts MX and follow my Instagram Cartel Cuts.
Thank you so much, guys. Gracias.
Thanks.
That's Cartel Haircuts. You better like your haircut. If you don't, you better keep your mouth shut about it. And of course, I'm just kidding around. He even told me most people hear cartel and immediately start thinking of the narcos and Sinaloa and all. And that's not the meaning of cartel at all. But still, just having a little fun with it. Good guys. So if you're in Mexico City in the Buenavista area, maybe swing in, get a haircut at Cartel Cuts. So that's the Holiday Inn, Buenavista here in Mexico City. Right here on the corner in the lobby, they have a little Starbucks and a breakfast area. I'll walk over here. The breakfast area is closed right now. I'm assuming because it looks out onto the street and things are in lockdown right now. So what this hotel has chose to do, they still serve breakfast, but rather than serving it where you can see everybody sitting in the window here, they're using one of the wedding rooms. They have all the seats placed apart where it's a little less or a little more discreet, I assume. So this is my room at the Holiday Inn Buenavista in Mexico City. It's just a standard 2 twin room. It has a shower only, a couple of double sinks, and this is the toilet back here. The beds are really nice and comfortable. I don't know what that bedding is, but it's upgraded. Feels nice. A lot of channels on the TV. Most are in Spanish, but if you go to tools on the remote, you can change at least all the movie channels to English. And there's Ethernet port. The Wi-Fi is really good. I think I was getting 150 megabytes. It appears that all the rooms have these little balconies. And again, this is the Buenavista area. Off in the distance, 2 blocks away is a Walmart. And about 4 blocks that way is the Buenavista Forum, kind of a shopping mall. And this main road here, that is where you can catch the Metro bus. Really nice system of newer, clean buses that run on, I think, 12 different lines. The subway's right there as well. I've used the subway. It's kind of like New York City subway, a little bit run down, but it's fine. It'll get you where you need to go, but so won't the Metro bus. And the bus is 6 pesos a ride, and the subway is 5 pesos. So that's about a quarter. So for 42 a night, you get a solid 3-star hotel. With tax, it's $51 a night. So check it out, Holiday Inn Buenavista. They still have these bike shares. Load the app on your phone and grab a bike and leave it at another station. They've ripped them out of most places like in San Diego, but they're still here in Mexico City. This is in the Buenavista area. Looks like another Mexican circus here in Mexico City.